Hello friends, welcome to FAMS Tech. This is Vivo S1 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera clicking sound in your phone Vivo S1 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone. Here when you take a picture, there will be a clicking sound. Listen to the sound. If you want to turn off this sound, go to the camera and click on settings in the camera. Clicking on sound here and turn off that button sound. Now clicking sound is not hearing. If you want to have sound again, turn on that button. So in this way you can easily turn off camera clicking sound in your phone Vivo S1 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.